Alright guys, sorry I started recording a little late. I'm just kind of sick of getting a bunch of footage that we don't really need. So I'm just going to start turning the GoPro on kind of when I'm going to use it, you know. And right now I wanted to show you guys this view. Yeah. They're both Corvettes, and that one's a Tesla. The Teslas? Yeah. Hopefully you guys can get a good view of that water. Just stay tight, yo, because there's a cop right here on our left, and then there's a car. Yeah, I'll let you know. It's us. Here, let me get in front. I told you. We are 2 minutes away, yo. That church is nice too. I don't even know what church this is and how they got our contact. Oh wait, I emailed them. Yeah. And then remember he got back to me. And I told him, I was like, we just did Cavalry Baptist, even though we didn't this year. But we're gonna do Cavalry Baptist again. Yeah. Yeah, school's done now. He said he's waiting for everything to probably August we'll do it. Did we? There's a 7-Eleven right here we can stop at on the way back. Yeah, we're gonna be here in 10 minutes, bro. Let's whip. Dude, we pulled up to that, I'm like, yo, why does this look so familiar? Like, what the fuck, dude? My bad, dude. Yeah, no joke, we're 10 minutes away now. At least I didn't, type in, something way off. Yo, fuck. I wouldn't even do it today, then, if it was like that. Yeah. I was supposed to do this yesterday, though. Yeah, I told him I'd come yesterday. Dude, isn't this where we crack filled with wick? Yeah. Remember, it comes out over here, right here. Yeah, look. Remember he drove? He drove. Yeah. Yo. I mean, at least this is a nice ride. Honestly, bro, my fault, though. Yeah. Better than just... Look at that house. Yeah. We would get stuck behind a car. Yeah, about to be 9 minutes. Just be like, yo, call your girl and be like, be ready when I pull up, jump on the bike. Yeah. Fuck, dude, look at, we passed this. My bad, dude. We are 8 minutes away, dude. We're about to be going, I think. Yeah. it's 35. He ain't gonna come for the sound of our bikes. I mean, unless like something spooks them out of the woods and then they come bolting out, like we're 7 minutes away. We gotta go like right at the stop sign. I just blow through the grass. Dude, this would be a spot for someone would follow. Like if you were cooking. Yeah. Alright guys, well I fucked up and went to the wrong fucking spot. Now we're going to the right one. It's 35 through here. Yo, I found a better way to do our videos too, Frankie. I detach your audio and my audio and I overlay them, and then I can chunk together a conversation. Yeah, like in the part 3 that's about to come up next, like tomorrow, both of our audios will be in it. It's hard to explain, but yeah, because in the last two videos, like whoever's GoPro I had showing, that's who was talking. Now I can have me talking while your view is on. You get what I'm saying? Like to keep the conversation going. Now we're in Hamburg. We're 4 minutes away. You ready? Let me GPS home quick. Yeah, no, just watch for that cop being up this way, dude. What do you say? Yeah. Yeah. Not at this one. We're gonna go left on McKinley. Oh yeah, it is this one right here, brother. Yeah, I got my blinker on for you. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm trying to watch behind us too. It's 40 through here. We're gonna stay on McKinley for 3.6 miles till we take a right on Transit. Are you recording? Yeah. Ooh, I just got that, like, look at that house. That, like, fresh cut grass smell. Yo, right though. Yeah, straight for 2 miles. Bro, we're up, yeah, 27 minutes. So, oh, yo, state trooper. Yeah. Yeah. Stadium. He's still going though. Oh, yo, this is the fairground. Yeah, no, that's the casino at the Hamburg Fairgrounds. Yo, it's coming up, the fair. Yeah, 2 weeks. It's the end of August, so like 2-3 weeks. Yeah, it just got cold. We're by the water. Here, get him, I don't know. Does that lane end or? Oh, yeah, I think it is. Oh, no, you can go. Wait. Yeah. Maybe let's get, yeah. We actually could get, no. We gotta take a right in 1 mile up at that light. You see it? Yeah, we could. Yeah. I just didn't know if we were gonna try to pass this one or not before that. Oh. Just be careful, y'all. I'm in one of them things that's making me go all over. Oh, were they doing a fucking photo shoot? Yeah. Right in front of us? No, it's like a Jetta. Or a Volkswagen, like Wagoneer. Yeah, it's a Volkswagen. We gotta go right here. Yeah. I'll read it, motherfucker. Oh, we got the green light though, boy. That's all fill from the stadium. There goes a DG. Look at the stadium, bro. Look at the stadium. Yeah, bro. Yeah. My bad. Look at my head. I'm trying to get a good shot of the stadium. Yeah. There's always like a cop around here, so. Was there? There's like always one right there. Southwest of that we're on turns into transit, and then it's just straight home. 20 minutes. Yes, we'll be home. You'll be home at like 20 after 9. Yeah, because your phone's off. Oh, slow up, cop. Do you see the cop right there? Yeah, did you not see the cop that we just passed right on your right, bro? Oh. No. Yeah, right here on the right. He was sitting right in that fucking... Yeah. No, the cop, he's straight posted still. He didn't come out yet. Little bitch.